A heart-stopping moment when fate was just a few centimeters away. Luck worked at full capacity. These should definitely buy a lottery ticket now. A terrifying moment in the middle of a busy street. The taxi exploded like a scene from an action movie. Luckily, the driver managed to escape unharmed. This is a serious warning about improper vehicle modification. Safety should always come first. Wow, that's truly a brilliant idea. Opening the door without looking in unintentional danger. Luckily, the pickup driver had lightning-fast reflexes, or this story could have ended differently. Open your car door in a rush, and trouble will crash in a flash, and brake 1 second faster. Stay safe forever. Forgetting to lower the truck bed. Traffic in distress. The driver might have wanted to touch the sky, but unfortunately, the road sign didn't agree. Before you hit the gas, check the truck bed fast, and a minute to check saves a lifetime of regret. A small family, a big luck. A once-in-a-lifetime ride turned a rising bridge into a thrilling slide. When the bridge goes up, hearts drop down. Red lights can wait, but life isn't for gambling, and a minute to check the signs saves a lifetime of scares.
I see you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You spit food in my mouth.
A getaway faster than an action movie, but luckily, she's safe. A split-second decision can change fate in a flash, and before jumping out of a car, make sure there's nothing worse waiting. When Fast and Furious happens in real life, this car didn't just change lanes, it changed rooftops. Luckily, there were no serious casualties. Speed isn't wings taking off, only leads to crashes and bruises. Stay in control today to avoid making headlines tomorrow. A high-speed chase with a predictable ending. They thought they were the main characters in an action movie, but reality had a costly lesson in store. Running from justice only speeds up the road to prison, and reckless driving doesn't lead to freedom, it leads to the emergency room. dodging the law but not dodging fate, thought they could sneak through the toll booth, but ended up with a costly lesson both for the wallet and the tires. Avoiding the toll fee might just cost you the whole truck, and toll gates aren't easy to fool, but your wallet sure is. Creativity or recklessness when a forklift lifts. Another forklift, the line between skill and disaster becomes dangerously thin. This isn't just lifting cargo, it's elevating risk to a whole new level.
Did I get any trouble?
The deadly curve when a semi-truck turns into a steel whip. That tail swing didn't just sweep the corner, it smashed the front of an oncoming car. Control the wheel today, so you don't count the damages tomorrow. And a sharp turn isn't a playground, don't let speed turn you into a victim. 1 second of carelessness, a lifetime of regret. When speed meets distraction, the result isn't just a crash, it's a life sent flying. A highway doesn't forgive mistakes, and just 1 second of lost focus can lead to a lifetime of consequences. A life or death moment in the blink of an eye. Stepping out to check on a minor accident seemed harmless until danger came from where no one expected. The second car barreled in, as if the crash ahead was invisible, turning a brief stop into a terrifying airborne collision. Fortunately, only minor injuries this time. But the lesson is clear. Stopping is one thing, but where you stand determines your fate. And the first crash may be small, but you never know what's coming next. The most haunting lane change, when one wrong move turns into an unplanned stunt. What started as a failed merge ended with a Ford Ranger flipping across the highway like a scene from an action movie no one signed up for. Miraculously, the driver walked away without a hospital visit, but the lesson was costly. One bad lane change can cost you a lifetime, and on the highway, yielding for a second is better than regretting forever. A collision with extra flavor. When the truck forgot to lower its bed, it didn't just crash into the bridge, it turned the highway into a rainstorm of canola seeds. From a traffic accident to an unplanned cooking oil festival. A race against fate with a disastrous ending. When the truck driver decided to test his luck against the railway barrier, the consequences went far beyond a broken gate, resulting in a derailed train and 7 injured passengers. This isn't an action movie, it's a real-life lesson. A red light is not an invitation to challenge fate, and one reckless minute can lead to a lifetime of regret. When intersections turn into destined meeting points, these unexpected rear-end kisses transform crossroads into temporary parking lots in the worst possible way. Don't drive like you're playing tag and brake 1 second earlier. Avoid trouble all day. A reckless overtake turned into a lifetime lesson. No helmet, no caution, but an excess of recklessness. When speed is the choice, consequences are inevitable. The road is not a racetrack. 1 second faster, a lifetime slower, and safety doesn't come from luck, it comes from awareness. Wow, this guy's skills are pretty impressive. Oh my god, why did he run into a dead end?
오 भाई ये क्या हो-
Roundabout or the whirlpool of fate? When do drivers enter a test of skill, and insurance claims? Entering a roundabout isn't a race. Slow down a second, avoid trouble all day, and intersections aren't battlefields. Yield a little, stay safe a lot. A heart-stopping turn of events. When the truck lost control, all anyone could do was hold their breath and pray. Luckily, fate was on the driver's side this time. Sharp turns aren't for those who want to make it home safely, and slamming the brakes might save the truck, but it could also send the driver packing. When speed meets mistakes, no one is spared. A reckless overtake like an action movie, but the ending is just an expensive lesson. Overtaking on the right may save seconds, but fixing the car takes weeks, and the road is not a racetrack. Staying safe is the real victory.